Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to find your Gmail password on a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've forgotten your Gmail password, and you want to see if you can find it before going through the reset process. We'll guide you through how you can try doing this. What you need to do is go and open up the web browser that you use. In this case, it's Chrome. Most of these web browsers are going to have a password manager. So what you can do is press the three dots in the top right, go down, hover over Passwords and Autofill, and press Google Password Manager or Password Manager. Then you can go and type in Google or Gmail, and then you can go and see we've got one here. Click on it. You need to verify yourself, and we can press the I to the right to reveal the password.